Hey, it's Michael LaFido. I just wanted to send a quick video message out to you and your family, wishing you an amazing Thanksgiving and upcoming holiday season for whatever holiday you celebrate. But Thanksgiving, of course, is a time to reflect on your successes and trials and tribulations, but also for what you're thankful for, as well as moving forward. You know, one of the things that I continue to tell people is prove others wrong. And you'll see a picture come across of a sign that I have in my office. But you know, maybe you had a rough 2018. The good news is you can hit that reset button as we close out 2018, going into 2019. You know, I always tell my kids during back scratch and prayer time at night to make somebody's day tomorrow. And so my challenge to you is, let's continue to put good out there in the universe. Let's continue to make others' day. I'm very thankful for you and everybody else that's getting this message. So let's continue to raise the bar in this hostile community that we're in, this political community that we're in now. Let's all talk about uniting and building others up, whether you're in a red state, a blue state, whether you vote on the left or the right, doesn't matter, okay? We're all human beings, whether it be Americans or some of my Canadian friends watching this. Let's unite. Let's prove others wrong. Let's continue to build others up. I have a lot to be thankful for. We had an amazing year this year, and I'm just thankful going into this holiday and thankful for what lies ahead. So continue to plug away, and I'm thankful for you, and we'll talk to you soon. If you have any questions, my contact information is below, but just wanted to thank you again for a great year, and let's keep raising the bar and let's keep building others up. Take care.